Welcome, boys and girls. You've made it to the last level of multiplication word problems, level 6. You've gotten this far. You're almost done. So let's review what you have to do on this level. Just a reminder of our keywords with multiplication word problems. You'll see the words each and of. You'll also see words like altogether and total. But whenever you see each and of, you automatically know you need to multiply. A reminder of how to do word problems. You have to read the whole problem. Go back and find that important information by circling the numbers and finding the keywords. Remember, use your third grade brains. You might have to do more than one thing. You might have to add and multiply or subtract and multiply or or more than one thing. Two-step word problems. So you have to find those keywords that give you the hint as to what you need to do. And then you have to go do the math. So let's get started with this problem. It says Daniel had 12 eggs in his fridge. He made 4 loaves of bread. Each loaf of bread needed 2 eggs. How many eggs did he have left? So I see these numbers. He had 12 eggs in his fridge. He made 4 loaves of bread that each loaf needed 2 eggs. And how many eggs does he have left? So I see 2 keywords here, each, which means to multiply, and have left, which means to subtract. So remember that I didn't review those keywords, but you have to remember, oh yeah, I've heard have left before with subtraction word problems. So let's try this out. Let's start with the each. It says he made 4 loaves, each with 2 eggs. So I need to see 4, each had 2 eggs, 4 times 2. And I'm going to do my multiplication there. 4 times 2 gets me 8. And then that's the first part. I've only done half of it. And then the end asks me how many eggs does he have left. So he started with 12. Have left means subtract. And I'm going to subtract 8 because he used 8 eggs. So 12 minus 8 gets us 4. Let's try that again with this problem. Claire had 36 cups of sugar. She made 4 batches of pancakes. Each batch of pancakes used 2 cups of sugar. How many cups of sugar did she have left? So 36, that's what she started out with. And then she made 4 batches with each batch using 2 cups of sugar. How many cups did she have left? So let's start that out. 4 and 2, I see here 4 loaves or 4 batches of pancakes. So think about it this way. She's making 1 batch, 2 batch, 3 batches, 4 batches. Each of them calls for 2 cups of sugar. Use S's to represent that sugar. That right there is just equal groups, which you know how to do, and you can just multiply those. So 4 batches of pancakes, and each batch used 2 cups of sugar. That's how much she used. So 4 times 2, as we know, is 8. And that's the first part of my problem. Now, how many did she have left? She started out with 36. Have left reminds me to subtract and do my math here. So 36 minus 8, 6 minus 8 I can't do. Gotta borrow. You know how to do this. 16 minus 8 is 8. 2 minus nothing is 2. So 28 cups of sugar is what she has left. Let's do one more problem and then you're good to go. So this one says Carlos had 32 cups of chocolate chips. He made 8 batches of chocolate chip cookies. Each batch of cookies asked for 3 cups of chocolate chips. How many cups of chocolate chips did he have left? Okay, there we go again. 32 cups is what he started out with. Then he decided to make 8 batches of chocolate chip cookies, and each batch called for 3 cups each batch. How many cups of chocolate chips did he have left? Okay, 8 batches. He made 8 groups of, and each of them asked for 3 cups of chocolate chips. Do your subtraction. 8 times 3 is 24. So that's how many cups of chocolate chips he used. So now we have to figure out how much he has left by doing our subtraction. 32 minus 24. 2 minus 4 can't do. 12 minus 4 gets us 8. and 2 minus 2 is just 0. So he had 8 cups of chocolate chips left. There you have it, boys and girls. That's how you do this hardest level of multiplication word problems. Good luck.